Hello friends, today in this video we will learn about how can we change our photo in Google Meet. So let's jump to our smartphone screen. So we will first open Google in our phone. Then we will click on the top right icon and click on Google account. Then it will show our Google account, and we will go to the personal info tab and click on the camera icon below our profile picture and click on set profile photo. We will click on choose photo and we would detect the location where we have saved our photo. Then we will adjust the crop so that our photo fits in the frame. And we will click on accept. It will set our profile photo. And our profile photo will be set, that you can see here, and we can now join with Google Meet with our profile photo. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel, share, and goodbye. Thank you for watching.